Located in the heart of Chennai, ITC Grand Chola is a popular choice for both business travelers and tourists. It is a tribute to southern India's great empire, the Imperial Cholas. This hotel has four separate entry points, each with its distinct artistic identity. The entire hotel is quite vast and is very easy to get lost. The hotel features 600 luxurious rooms, which includes 522 rooms and 78 service apartments, each equipped with modern amenities and stunning city views. These rooms are located in different wings depending on the room category. Please subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful and want to see more similar content. One of the standout features of the hotel is its impressive dining options, boasting 10 diverse venues. These include restaurants, bars, and coffee shops that serve regional, national, and global cuisines. I visited a few of these restaurants, and the food was delicious in each one of them. All the dining venues are conveniently located on the first and second floors, accessible to both room guests and the public. The hotel also offers many leisure facilities, including 5 swimming pools, 3 for adults and 2 for kids, and 3 well equipped gyms, one in each wing. ITC Grand Chola also houses one of the largest conference, banqueting, and exhibition spaces in the country, making it ideal for large events. Overall, my stay at ITC Grand Chola was truly enjoyable. Very few hotels in India can match the grandeur and luxury of this property. I was particularly impressed by the 10 dining options which I haven't encountered in any other hotel. The hospitality was very good and the staff ensured a comfortable experience. Whether you're visiting for business or leisure, this hotel is an excellent choice. While there might not be a lot of recreational activities within the hotel besides exploring its restaurants, it's still a great option for a day or two. If you stayed at this hotel, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comment section. And if you're looking for more hotel reviews, be sure to check out my other videos.